Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix an Instagram follow limit. If you're interested in Instagram marketing, growing your account, and making money from Instagram, check out our free Instagram resources and newsletter below. But now let's see how to fix an Instagram follow limit. There are rules to following people on Instagram. First, you are not allowed to follow more than 7,500 accounts. So if you've reached that limit, try unfollowing some of them and then try again. Instagram also monitors the time between each follow, so if you follow too many accounts too quickly, that might also cause a problem. Try to wait at least 35 to 45 seconds between following accounts. Alright, this hopefully helped you fix an Instagram follow limit.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to check out our Make Money with Instagram checklist for free, or the Instagram Growth Checklist, other Instagram marketing resources and deals. Also, we have a free weekly Instagram marketing newsletter for which you can sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check out our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, which you can also find in the video description below.